Hey guys, Lori here. I am back with a Wantable Clearance edit. I've never done the Wantable Clearance edit before. It was a special box that was like a promo email. I have had like the sale before, but I've never had a clearance box though. I can't wait to see what is inside. So let's dive right in and see if we got anything good. So we got our usual thing with the sticker and the tissue paper, style before need. And we got all the other little mumbo jumbo here. This is a pretty full box. Let's see what we got here. All right, so we have a Henley style top. You know, let me get this box down here so it's out of the way a little bit. Okay, so we got this Henley style top with some yellow stripes, and the sleeve has a little bit of a, I don't know, what do you call that, like a rolled sleeve? I don't know. I don't know the technical name for these things. Okay. Whoa. We got this top with 3/4 length sleeve. We have this olive green top, t-shirt I should say. We got some kind of like cowl neck, turtleneck type sweater. I'm usually not a fan of anything turtleneck or collar just because my hair is really fine and it tangles like crazy. Alright, we got a pair of, I don't know, I guess these are some kind of like linen clam diggers. I don't know, what do you call those? Capris? Tops? We have a pair of Vigos skinny pants in like a army green color. And we have another pair of the Vigos pants in a little bit. Are they the same style? No, they're not. These ones have a different bottom. These are supposed to be more like a jogger and these are more like a skinny pant. Alright, so let's try it on. Okay guys, so let's talk about each of the individual pieces. So bottom line up front, this box was terrible. The thing that really irritated me is right off the bat, and you probably noticed from my try on, that I couldn't even try these on because they sent them in a size too small, and I don't think you guys wanted to see me with my pants unbuttoned. But yeah, thanks Wantable for making me feel like a fat ass. So yeah, these three are a definite no. I'll be honest, I probably wouldn't like them anyway. Especially these tan ones. Oh my god, they're god awful. So right off the bat, those three are going back. Next I have this green V-neck tee. Nothing wrong with it. It's very clingy. It's very soft. I'm not feeling the vibe on this one too much, so I'm gonna send this one back too. Next we have this striped top. This one's actually not that bad. I think this probably would have paired pretty well with either of the green pants that were in the box, but you know, they don't fit me, so I think this is okay. And if I'm gonna keep my $20 style credit, this might be one of the items I decide to keep. Next we have this polyester sweater. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. I mean, it actually does feel quite soft, but I tend to gravitate towards thinner type sweaters like the one that I have on right now. Again, I don't really like these neck things, although maybe with COVID, like if I'm going somewhere, I could like pull it up and cover my face as my mask. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not really feeling the vibe too much on this one. If you guys like this one, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks. And the last up we have is this little beauty. I think it's okay. Typically I do like items from Staccato, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling it either way. So if you guys like this one, let me know in the comment section below. So yes, overall, the prices on the Style box, I mean, my total originally was $400 and it came down to $100 if I kept everything. Obviously, I'm not keeping everything. I may keep one of the tops, maybe the striped top or the Staccato top, but I'm not quite sure. But overall, I'm pretty disappointed. I did order the Wantable Active Edit Clearance box, so more to come on that when I receive it. But let me know what you think of this box in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing your feedback. But take care, everybody. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.